Look what I have today. I have a whole box of Hot Wheels cars, 72 of them in here. And let me tell you why I got this, because maybe you know I collect Hot Wheels. Or maybe you saw the picture of the Hot Wheels in my garage. I have them hanging up there, and I was going to use that for my background, but it's cold down there right now in the garage. And it's snowing outside. I was trying to get the Cybertruck for my grandson. When I first saw them for sale for $1, I said, I don't want none of them, they're ugly. And then he asked, do you have any Cybertrucks? And I said, I'll go get some at the store. There's nowhere to be found now. I did get a couple at a show, but I paid a lot more than $1 for them. And then I started learning about treasure hunts. I don't think, with all my collection, I don't think I have any treasure hunts. Or super treasure hunts. If you know about Hot Wheels, you know about that. And as soon as they restock the shelves in the stores, collectors come in and they pick them clean, you know, they get all the good ones, they know what to look for. And I thought, if I ever saw at the store they have a box, I'm going to ask the manager, can I just buy the box? You know, 72 of them for $1 a piece without opening them. And then I thought, maybe I could just buy a box from Mattel, which I did. Mattel. 72 Hot Wheels. See? Now there might be 12 of them in here the same, or 3 the same, or there might be a treasure hunt in here. I don't know if I'm going to go through all 72 because I don't want to take a lot of your time, but I'm going to open them. I'm really excited. Are you excited? Whoa, I was waiting for you to come here till I open them. Oh. Batmobile, let's see. Wouldn't it be neat to have a Cybertruck in here? I'm going to start opening them. I'm not going to take them off the cards, though. I'm going to count them, though. How does this work? Let's see. Whoa, look at that gold one. The treasure hunts, you got to kind of look behind the car, and there's a little TH back there. You know, behind there. If you open it up, it says, congratulations, you have a treasure hunt. But to buy them in the store, you got to look behind the car there. I might need my eyeballs for this job. Whoa! Is that what you look like? Holy cow! Oh, I'm so excited. Look. Let's go through them real quick. That's a nice one. The first one I pulled out. Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia. I'm going to need another rack down there in the garage. Subaru. Oh, the Yellow Submarine. That's pretty cool, huh? Wow. The Beatles' Yellow Submarine. Sometimes weird things like that are super treasure hunts. I saw a wagon, like a kid's pool wagon, Hot Wheels, and it was a treasure hunt. The toilet truck, skate grom. Oh, that's nice. 18 Challenger. Wow. That's beautiful. And the treasure hunt models have real rubber tires. They have different paint schemes, and they have a little logo on the back. It says treasure hunt. Usually back there. I think I'm needing my eyeball, my super eyeball.
Okay. Here's your eyeball.
Thank you. I just saw a little logo in the back. It probably says Mopar, but yeah, it's a Mopar logo. There's usually a flame back there, and it says TH for treasure hunt. I wish I could share these all with you. So good. I just noticed the Yellow Submarine has wheels on the bottom. I wonder if it floats. Tony Hawk. Yeah, that's Tony Hawk. That's collectible. If you like Tony Hawk or skateboards. Second best. Same as the first. Oh, these are nice. Nice Mazda pickup. White Porsche. Looking for a treasure hunt. Track Magna. Bentley. I like a Bentley. Nissan 2017 Camaro. Nissan Patrol. Aren't these cool? I get this for myself for Christmas, you know. I don't have these. I don't think I have any of these yet, do I? No, I don't. Porsche Roadster Bite. Plus, I see no treasure hunts yet. Are you counting with me? Motorcycle. Honda CB750. I don't have any motorcycles down there. Subaru WRX. Did I have a Subaru already? This is like a game, you know. Is that, see? That's okay. Doubles. Then if I have doubles that I don't like a lot, I give some to my favorite friends. And you might get doubles, and one might be a treasure hunt and one might not be. And there's just little differences in the cars, like it might have metallic paint, or it will have the logo, like I said. And here's a super silhouette Nissan Silvia. Did I say that already, or do I have two? Yeah, I have two of these too, do I? Is that? Yeah. That's okay. A little mini Batmobile. I guess I'm going through them. Mercedes. Oh, here's a dragon wagon. Just a wagon, but I don't see no treasure hunt symbol on it. Gotta look behind it. It says TH on the paper back there, but this one don't. There's another dragon wagon. That's good. I have doubles because I can give some away. 72 Stingray. Another Batmobile. There's a Lego truck. My grandkids like that sometimes. You? It's me. Almost done. I didn't think I was going to do them all. This better be 72 of them. Honda CRX. Porsche Taycan Turbo. Nice paint on that. Track Magna. I still have two of those in there. That's okay with the doubles. Porsche 911. Nissan Z. Another motorcycle. Exciting. It's so exciting. Oh, I don't have that Batmobile. This like a metallic kind of brownish. Maroonish, brownish. You think that would be a treasure hunt because it's same model but different paint. Mustang NHRA funny car. I don't have any of them. I like that. Oh, look, I thought it was almost empty. I thought I was down to the bottom, but look. Oh, I'm only halfway there. I thought I was almost done. Well, that's neat. Dessert drifter, a Jello mold. We were talking about a Jello mold last night, weren't we?
Yeah.
Out of SpaghettiOs. All right, we're only halfway there. Ooh, 64 Nova wagon gasser. Got to be a treasure hunt in here somewhere. Rise and climb. What is that? I don't know what that is. Oh, I've got two motorcycles in the back. Ready? I don't think I'm going to open any of these. If I have doubles and nobody wants them, the boys, then I'll open one and play with it. I'm amazed this Batmobile isn't a treasure hunt because of the color. We have 4 or 5 different models of Batmobiles down there. Another Nissan SUV. All right, we're halfway through the box. You want to see the rest? Stop right back after this word. Here we go, second half. Wow. Come on, treasure hunt. Another Mustang funny car. It's okay. Pagani Haraya Roadster. I don't know what that is, but it's neat. Audi Quattro. Earth Day. Dropped one. Renault. We'll go over these with the camera closer when I'm towards the end. 88 Jeep Wagoneer. Doug likes that one. You like that, Doug? He likes that. I know he does. This is so much fun. That nice Dodge Viper. Whoa. Dodge Viper. Tesla Model Y. No Cybertruck. Whoa, there's a Gas Monkey Garage Corvette. And it's gold. That's a treasure. It's a super treasure hunt behind there. I see the logo. It's a gold. It's like a gold flame. Can you see the logo?
No, turn it this way a little bit. Oh, let's see.
It's under on the card.
Sorry.
I knew that had to be special.
Mark of it.
Can you see it, kind of?
You kind of.
Decal on the back. This like a flame, like I told you, on the back fender. That's a nice one. Yeah, it says TH in the back there. That's nice. Gas monkey got red line tires, real rubber tires. That's my favorite so far.
I see.
My first treasure hunt. What do you think of that, Bernie? You love that, huh? You have that one? Should have worn my Gas Monkey t-shirt. Ford Escort, who cares? Wow, I was lucky on that. Hot Wheels Rapid Race Parts truck. Well, the Jello mold. Who wants a Jello mold? You want one? I'll send you one. Come on, give me 3 more Gas Monkeys. Wouldn't that be nice? When I got doubles of other things, this is worth the money I paid. I'll put a link down there. You can get a box too. I'll put a link to where I got them from. Look at this X-34 land speeder. This looks like a experimental kind of boat, all beat up. Star Wars, yeah, all right. Not a boat.
Got mail.
See, they're here already. Fiat. That's why when you go in the store, you look under there. See, there's a TH under there. But I got a super treasure hunt. Another cool Batmobile with a paint I've never seen before. Are you counting? Wow, I was lucky to get that Corvette. This is nice. Baja Bison. Big kind of van. Oh, that says new for 2023. I'm not sure the date of the box. There's all kind of codes. Like Mattel has codes like for date and year and shift and everything, but I can't understand it. There's a way to decipher it. They use the Julian calendar, something weird, you know? What calendar do we go by? Gregorian? Or the one from the drugstore? Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. That's pretty nice. Rally Special. Honda Civic. That's nice. Oh! Another crazy Batmobile I see in there. Some boy's gonna like one of these Batmobiles, I know that. Some boy. Ford Escort. Ducati motorcycle. De Machini Valus. De Machini. Oh, that one's neat. Eruption. Eruption. Little tiny Batmobile, Dodge Viper. That's cool. I got 2 of those. There's one. This could be a game, you know. Find the Viper. Match the Viper. Ford Ranchero. That's nice. Yeah. 72 Stingray. We love them. Super Surfing School Bus. Oh, look at the motor in the back of that. You can't see it that good, but it's there. It's a big one. Baja Bison. I saw that over here. Isn't this great? Almost done. Honda Civic. Another Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Last 3. Baja Hauler. That's pretty nice. I like it. A 17 Pagani, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna look over them closer to see if there's any more treasure hunts, but I don't think there is. This is a 70s van. You know how we had those party vans? I have a 55 Chevy that looks like that too, with like Scrabble game on it or something. It says on there, Hot Wheels, V8 cars. There's spelled out Mattel. All right. Do we want to count these? There's a closer look at them. Aren't they great? We counted them. There's 72 of them. Are you going to get a box? So exciting. Hot Wheels. Been collecting these since I was a little kid. About 8 years now. Love that one, right? Gas Monkey. Super Treasure Hunt. Wow. I wonder if on the back of this card of the Super Treasure Hunt it says anything like Treasure Hunt. I don't see it. But isn't that nice? A regular Treasure Hunt just says TH under there, but a gold flame, I believe, is a Super Treasure Hunt. That was all worth it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you get yourself a box. It's so much fun. If you're not a collector, you can be real quick. As soon as these come in the mail, right? I might send for another box. It probably won't be the same exact assortment, right? But if you ever see them at the store and they're $1 a piece, ask the guy, can I just buy the box without opening it? Sometimes they don't even let guys look through them before they put them on the shelves. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to hang these up in my garage. I'm going to put this gold Gas Monkey Vet in a special place. Please subscribe for more fun. You know what? It's time to eat. See ya.